Many people are misguided mentality that drones are very expensive. They even end up not bothering to inquire about the prices because they already know they can't afford. This is not true. Nowadays you can purchase the best drones under 50 and get a good product. The fact that they are cheap does not make them lesser drones than others. You can purchase the best drone under $50, which has pretty much the same high quality features as the rest. There are three categories of people when it comes to experience with drones. We have the beginners, intermediates, and experts. For the intermediates and experts, they probably know everything about drones. However, for the beginners, you need to take baby steps. So in this video we are gonna discuss 5 best drones under $50. I'm making this video in the light of my research on different websites and other resources. So let's start our 5 best drones under $50 video with your like on this video and subscribe on this channel Everyday Unique. So let's begin. Number 5. Hubsan X4. The Hubsan X4 is in fact an entire series of small beginner drones, some with camera and others without one. Although quite old on the market, these are extremely well-made drones and quite durable too. If you're looking for a camera drone under $50, I think the Hubsan X4 with a camera is what you're looking for. Number 4. Eachine E013. This drone makes it on my list, not because it's one of the most popular quadcopters in 2020, but because it actually has what it takes. It even comes with a 720p camera. It's foldable and looks a lot like the very expensive DJI Mavic Pro. It flies pretty well, and the footage is not half bad, at least for a toy drone. For a very small additional price you can get up to 3 batteries, so the charging time will get irrelevant at some point. Number 3. Eachine E013. The Eachine E013 is a really cheap drone for the package it comes in. You get a pair of 5.8 GHz FPV goggles, the controller and the drone. It's a great way to experience lag-free first-person view flying with goggles. It's a perfect indoors drone, although I wouldn't recommend it for total beginners though. Number 2. JJRC H345. The perfect package for people who want to have 2 drones instead of one, in case you crash. Having 2 drones also helps, by doubling the battery life. They are controlled with the same transmitter though. The main advantage of these drones is that the package is super cheap. Number 1 drone of our top 5 is Eachine E010. My top drone for beginners, simply because it works, it's resilient, well protected and can do flips. It comes in multiple colors and it's super safe to let even kids play with it. So, these were my top 5 drones under $50. Tell me in comment which drone you liked more. All drones links are available in description. Like the video and subscribe the channel. See you next.